Welcome to episode 4 of Maintenance MOTORWAY. In our previous episode, we discussed the dangers of driving on worn-out tires. Today we will talk about tire tread patterns and their characteristics. Tire tread is the rubber on the tire that makes contact with the road surface. The larger the contact area, the better the grip. That is why the tires used on race cars are wider to get the largest contact patch possible. Also, some race cars do not have grooves on the tire tread. As a result, they get maximum grip. These are called slick tires, but such tires are dangerous on road cars and cannot be used on regular roads because they are not capable of displacing water on wet surfaces and hence suffer hydroplaning, which is extremely dangerous. A tire tread consists of multiple layers of rubber. The shape, size, design, and quantity and positioning of these components are calculated and cautiously engineered to get the expected optimum performance from the given tire. There are three main types of tire treads patterns: symmetric or multi-directional tread, asymmetric tread patterns, directional tread patterns. In the first part of this episode, I will explain what symmetric tires are. Symmetric tread pattern. These tires feature a simple tread pattern and are commonly found on most cars. They are called symmetric tires because the tread pattern on the outside of the tire is the same as that on the inside of the tire. The name multi-directional comes from the fact that these tires can rotate in any direction. They can also be placed on any side of the car. That's all for today. In the next part of this episode, we'll talk about asymmetric tires and directional tires. Always remember, don't drink and drive, don't text and drive, but always practice defensive driving.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed our video, please hit the like button and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on all our social media pages: Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter and TikTok at AutoShack Ghana for other educational content.